Assalamu alaikum. I'm Kamrul Hassan from Gopalpur High School. Now I am on behalf of Kalukhali Upazila online class. Dear student, all of you are staying at home, so it is quite impossible. It is fully impossible for us to take the regular class. So we are going to online class. So Kalukhali Upazila online class. Thank you very much. We have already taken a class on tag question. We have already discussed the 5 rules of tag question, and now I am going to start the list of the rules. So our today's class is tag question or question tag. Tag question or question tag. Previously, we have discussed that if the sentence having any auxiliary verb and if the statement is affirmative sentence, how can we do the tag question? We have already discussed the sentences which is having auxiliary verb and the statement, if the statement is negative, how do we make tag then? And we discussed about the sentence which is having no auxiliary verb, and if the sentence is affirmative, how do we make them tag? And we discussed the sentence which is negative and having no auxiliary verb. We have already discussed how we can make tag in imperative sentence in our previous class. So now I am going to discuss the rules of tag. If the sentence having more than one auxiliary verb, how can we make them tag? Suppose the sentence she will have been reading. There are 2 auxiliary verbs here, but in this case we always use the first one. So the answer of the question is, answer of the sentence is, the tag of the sentence is won't she অথবা will she. So if the sentence having more than one auxiliary verb, we must use the first auxiliary verb. Okay? So, dear student, we always face these kind of sentences who is having everybody, everyone, nobody, no one, etc. Suppose the sentence is everybody gets a mango. So everybody is a singular subject, and so S is used after the verb as it is present indefinite tense. But when we make the tense a tag in such kind of statement, we have to use subject or use pronoun instead of everybody, everyone, nobody, no one. We have to use they. we have to use they. But we know that according to the rules of subject-verb agreement, we always use singular verb with singular subject and plural verb with plural subject. So when everybody, it is a singular subject, so the verb use as or yes, but when we use they is a plural verb, so we do not use them does, we use them do. We use them do, and the statement is affirmative, so we use not and then explanation. So we have to bear in mind that when the subject of the statement carries or use everybody, everyone, nobody, no one, we then use they instead of the subject. Okay? Thank you. Dear student, we have already discussed about the fact that we have to use the statement first on our answer script, and then we have to use tag question. But if we use only the answer of the statement, you will not get any credit for the answer. So to make the tag question, firstly we have to write down our statement first, and then we will make the tag of the statement. Okay. If we use I as a subject and then use am, I am a student. If we use am after I, we must use ain't or aren't instead of am and then aren't. But if the statement is I am not ready to help you, then we use am and then. So we must remember in mind that if there is a negative statement, then we can use am with subject I. But if the statement is affirmative, we must use ain't or aren't with subject I. Are you clear? Okay. Now we use modal verb as auxiliary verbs. Suppose we must obey the rules. We use modal verb and then if the statement is affirmative, we must use contraction of not and then subject or pronoun of subject, and if the statement is negative, we must not use not then. Very clear? And now need is used as a modal when need carries not, but when need does not carry or does not use not, then the statement is simply present indefinite. Suppose I need a pen, don't I? But I need not help the boy. The answer is needed. So need is used as modal verb when it carries not, or when the statement is negative. We can use need as a modal verb, but we don't use need as a modal verb when it is affirmative sentence. Is it clear? Okay. Dear student, we also found some sentences which is exclamatory sentence. When we use tag question as a exclamatory sentence, we have to follow the general rules. Suppose how fine the bird is. It is an exclamatory sentence, but when we use that question, firstly we have to write down the sentences thoroughly and then use comma and then use verb if there is any verb, and then contraction of not, and then the pronoun of subject. And if the sentence does not carry any auxiliary verb, suppose how ought, then we use doesn't it, then we use doesn't it. So if the sentence carries any auxiliary verb, we use then auxiliary verb, and if the sentence does not carry any auxiliary verb, then we use do, does or do. So in our examination, there are there may have 5 tag question, and when we write the answer of the tag, we must follow the rules of tag question, and if we use it in our real life situation, it will be very fruitful learning. If we use tag question in our dialogue writing, the dialogue will be very attractive and fruitful. We have to write 10 pairs of sentences in a dialogue, and we will try to use minimum 2 sentences to use tag question. So, dear student, if you follow our class, you will be benefited, and if you try to apply the rules of tag and practice it in your daily activities, you will be more benefited. So thank you our thank you for watching our class, and you must practice it, and I hope that you will be benefited. So thank you very much. Stay at home and stay safe.
22 সেকেন্ড।